Are you ready for this? Gorgeous, gorgeous, must-have colors coming your way. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I hope you are having a fabulous day wherever in the world you are. So today we have some new Madam Glam. Y'all, these get released on January 4th. And if you're a VIP member, you can get them a little earlier than that. So you might want to check out that VIP. It's only $29 a month. Anyway, we have vegan, cruelty-free, 21 palm oil free, 21 free formula, and of course HEMA free. Now, if you do decide to purchase some Madam Glam, which you know you want to, make sure that if you're going to use a discount code, go ahead and click that pay as you go. Otherwise, you may want to go ahead and get that VIP membership, $29 a month. Like I mentioned, it rolls over month to month. So you can't go wrong there. If you don't want to purchase anything monthly, it just rolls over and you can spend that money whenever and however you want with them. And you can cancel a VIP membership at any time. So this new January collection is called Glam 25. It is a set of 6 gels, and I'm going to show you 4 of them today. One is a glitter top coat that is absolutely gorgeous, and y'all, my dogs are wrestling right next to me, so I apologize if you hear that. And I absolutely can't get over how gorgeous and complementary these colors are to each other. So yeah, you're going to want to check this set out very, very much. You're going to absolutely love it. I know I do. And I already have a nail design in mind, which I will do in another video. So anyway, let's get into this. Celebrate the new year with luxurious, long-lasting shades that embody the excitement of fresh beginnings. Yes. And let's making every moment in January events more unforgettable. This January, we're starting out fresh with the Glam 25 collection from embracing exciting opportunities and celebrating personal growth. These trendy, refreshing shades will help your nails perfectly polished for every new moment ahead. And if I haven't said it already, Happy New Year, y'all. I hope that 2025 is going to be a spectacular year for everybody. Each shade is designed to embrace the crisp elegance of the season, featuring rich, creamy tones, perfect for winter days, and dazzling top coat with gold and silver. And these gel polishes go on effortlessly for a flawless finish. Whether you're stepping into a new chapter or celebrating fresh opportunities, these shades bring a touch of sophistication and sparkle to every moment. Yes, they do. And these are so gorgeous. I cannot get over these. Our gel polishes are proudly vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free, and palm oil-free, and HEMA-free, offering you a stunning manicure that's kind to both you and the planet. Start this new year with nails that are vibrant, long-lasting, and effortlessly chic, embracing fresh beginnings with every swipe. Now, I don't know who writes these, but they have it down to an art. Every word of it describes it perfectly. And y'all, I don't know about you, but I am absolutely loving this new season's tones. They're jewel tones, but they're like a dusty jewel tone, which it's not your ordinary jewel tones, and I absolutely love that. These are so out-of-the-box colors. They are simply stunning. So this is 1 coat, and I'm going to go ahead and do 2 coats while we're on camera because on the 3 colors, but not the top coat, just because the top coat is top coat. Anyway, so I wanted to show you how rich and vibrant these colors are with both 1 coat and 2 coats. Let me know which one of these is your favorite color out of these 4, and see if you can guess mine. Although it's probably pretty obvious. If you've been watching me for any length of time, you already know as soon as you saw the color. And I want to say thank you to each and every one of you that watches my videos. And I want to say thank you to Madam Glam for sending me out these gorgeous colors. I'm absolutely loving them. And they are so beautiful. And I can't get over it. Anyway, if you haven't already subscribed, what's the holdup, y'all? I do lots of things. I do nails, I do sewing, I do artwork, we do projects. You name it, we'll do it. If it comes to artwork. So, y'all, doing nails may not seem like an art form, but it really, really is. And you know, when you're doing artwork, quality of the product you're using does matter a lot with your finished product. So, check these out. Check out the website for madamglam.com. And, get you a couple because you're going to love them. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and let you finish watching, and I hope you have a fabulous day. Love each and every one of you, all of my subscribers. Every one of you rocks. I so enjoy having you here. Go ahead and drop me a comment and a thumbs up, and let me know what you think about these absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Are you going to pick them up? Because I know you want to. And I will be back in another video with a nail design that I think you're going to love. And it's so super, super easy. Anyway, you have a fabulous day. And bye-bye. Happy New Year.